Plus, a booming business, how repair shops are benefiting from the struggling economy.
You're watching Fox 6, the most powerful name in local news.
This portion of Fox 6 News is sponsored by Belk.
In tough times, some businesses are thriving. At car repair shops and computer repair stores, business is booming.
Instead of buying new items, more people are fixing their old stuff. Fox 6 News reporter Dave Bondi joins us with more on how much money you can save that way. Dave?
Well, there's a lot of money you can save by simply repairing items instead of buying new ones. And those repairs are making some big money for Birmingham area business owners. From shoe repair stores
And one of the hard drives has died.
to computer repair stores and even car repair shops, business is booming. People throughout the Birmingham area getting their items repaired instead of buying new ones. Louis Artavino has been working 7 days a week, overwhelmed with work at his Homewood shoe repair store.
It's consistently busy. For the last, I'd say, 2.5, 3 months, it's really picked up pretty strong.
Artavino says, why buy a new pair of $100 shoes when you can spend 15 to 20 bucks to get them repaired and looking like new?
People are looking now at what they can save versus what they can spend. Their attitudes changed a little bit.
Over at Hatfield Auto Parts and Service in Homewood, business has also increased. Mechanic Gano Tommen says more people are repairing their cars instead of buying new ones.
These cars nowadays are built they'll turn even over 200, even 300,000 miles if you maintain it properly.
Tommen also says don't put off getting an oil change to save money. In the long run, he says, it will cost you. S.C. Williamson owns PZ Computer Repair in Homewood. He's also seen an increase in business over the last few months.
It's very good for me. I try to make sure that they know, hey, a couple dollars here, a couple dollars there, and you're back up and running with might not look new, but it's almost new.
In Homewood, Dave Bondi, Fox 6 News.
Governor Riley